Hello, welcome to another Mamemeister 10-minute mashup. This game, Falcon Patrol. My goodness, just listening to that wee sort of bursty SID music takes me right back. This was a very early C64 game. You can see there it uses the sort of built-in Commodore font. That's something you just wouldn't get away with. Sort of. Hang on, this doesn't seem to be working. Let me just swap joysticks. Is it going to work now? Yeah, here we go. This was one of the very first copied games I ever got for the C64. And it'll be interesting to see just how much it's dated. Bloody hell. The one thing that always impressed me about this game, and I've got to say even now it looks pretty, or it doesn't look so much, it sounds good, and that was the sound. Now you've got a wee radar, which if you look down below you'll see the radar and you'll see the two, you basically or with that little yellow line is in the middle of the screen, and you'll see the little yellow blips. They're actually the planes that you're trying to shoot. My goodness, this really takes me back. I don't think I've ever actually played this game since probably, I don't know when it'd be, when I actually got this, probably 83, 84, but it literally was one of the first games I really got to play. Now I think, can you land and put fuel in? Ah, bollocks. I've just noticed you don't have infinite ammo. And it looks like... Oof, that was close. Phew! These guys are going to bomb me, watch this. Oh! Let's take off before they attack. Ah, they've changed direction. It's still quite a good game to play. Yeah, the scrolling's not the best, but the sound's excellent and the graphics are pretty good as well. Take that, you son of a gun. Ah, so you've not got unlimited fuel either. Come on! Bollocks. Yeah, I mean the graphics are all pretty simplistic now, but I think they would probably be called functional. I think that's probably the right kind of phrase to use for them. Here we go, here's a nostalgia rush. It's just mental how a tiny, I don't know what, 10-second burst of music can just evoke so many memories. This game was, literally, it was one of the first kind of computer games I really got to play, and you know, playing games like this, I knew that I'd found something that was going to, I couldn't say it was going to last a lifetime, but because of games like this, that's what kind of piqued my interest. and it just grabbed me. You know, as far as I was concerned, I was playing the future, and here we are. How many more? I don't know, 30 years ago. 30 years on, I'm now playing the very same game and making videos and uploading it onto an online interface, which is just mental. Now I'm trying to think, what do they actually try to destroy? Because they do drop bombs, but I can't for the life of me remember exactly what they're trying to destroy. Is it a little these little bits that you land on? It might well be. They're going to take me out, I think. Ah, bollocks. Now, there was a sequel to this, cunningly known as Flight Patrol 2. Oof, where did they come from? Take that. And that, you cad. Right, I think the idea of being you should really be... Oh, they're going to kill me again. When there's no planes on the screen, this is when you should really be topping up your fuel and what have you. Here they come. Bollocks. I love the sound though. I thought the sound was excellent and really, really authentic and quite atmospheric. Not that I've ever flown a jump jet Harrier, I have to say, but or even witnessed one getting knocked out of the sky, but it does sound very kind of aircrafty and sort of, yeah. That was close. Yeah, like all these really early games, there's not a great deal to them, but you know, these were the very, very first. These are the first games, and you know, they were great fun to play. It's all we had, you know what I mean? So, he's gonna take me out. Come here, you sod. Come on, that wasn't working. Oh, I'm there. Let's go for one more go. Right, we can put in any shite, I think. End. And one last time, let's listen to the wee bursty music. That was before they really got to grips with the SID chip. I mean, the music back then was again, it was passable. Let's go and face them head on. Come here, you sods. Let's try and land. Whoops. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Taking a risk here. Come here, you cowards. Anyway, listen, that's enough of that, guys. That's Falcon Patrol, and that was released by Virgin Games, I think it was, and that is on the Commodore 64. As usual, guys, thank you so much for watching.